How to fix login errors on Bank of America mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, you need to make sure that your Bank of America application is updated. So let's head over to our Play Store. Here at the top search bar, type in Bank of America mobile banking. In case you see update here, you have to tap on update and update your app. If you see open, it means your application is already updated. You can leave this as it is and open up your settings. Scroll all the way below. Here you will see apps. Open it. You will see various applications that you have installed in your device. Here search for Bank of America. As you do so, you will see storage. Tap onto it and clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you can tap on clear data and clear the data. Likewise, come back onto app info page. Here you will see force stop. Tap onto force stop and then OK. Likewise, you will see set as default. Tap onto it and then untoggle this button that says open supported links. Once you do all this, restart your device and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys, and thank you for watching.